Menteri Ketenaga Social Welfare ke Jelau ba poleng do haka khatsau tarik ujamang arhajar arpusau ulaong bakalong kebadon kambha ban penklanyi gibor pahara hak jakarung jagami hak jelamai gelaya bantela kamu drugs kamtam haba nyor po nak sispa nak jingdi pembuat kibalwan poi syak jelak pedelang bak district East Gentiles. Habai keren biginong patay kubor ba poleng do ulaong bahanyo po nak sispa nak jingdi pembuat kidai kibawan na East Gentiles. Kumtaw le keren baru sembut menteri rang ba kejelau bakmi ya ketenat korbar ri kejela ban penklanyi kibor pahara hai kijakarung jagami syamai gelaya kamtam hai East Gentiles. Ulaong ba kejing pahara kan kam klan ba hadin ba kesorkar kan pendai ba kejing tungkam ya palat lai hajar ngut ki pulit nalor kisan spa ngut ki volunteer jangko home guards. Bat kani kan yarap ban rat dengkong ya kejingwan poi drugs sya kejela. Menteri Sorkar ulaong baka Sorkar kelada penbena bani kuntama persya drugs bat kisaki kilapau na kejingdan buon ki basya akem. Buon ki mokot dumai ki belasai madan bat buon ki no penken an ki nasya akem. Kaba peniru ikjing terekam ha jong Sorkar. Bat ula pentip baki pulit keladap ha ikatup kerteng jong kinong kai drugs balakem buon sien sya ka advisory board. Kaban sa Syongshan hadian bakut kejing terekam ke model code of conduct. Bagan Shimrai halor jingpen saja, banai syaki katkum ka PIT NDPS Act, syajar kendai spa prapupra. Uba poleng do uli itu uru, bakat terat gila terwaru, bantung ya mission director batamai na kebenta ka Dream Project. Namar bau director bamenta, ula kia kam palat, nalor kiwei pat kikam kiba ubat.
Which NDPS was invoked last year. One. Two is cases against certain frequent offenders have already been built, and these people will surely come under detention under this revised act. And three, we have also proposed for a new mission director for the Dream Project, because the current director is tied up with a number of responsibilities, heavy responsibilities in the Home Department. And apart from everything, this is something that even in the government, Social Welfare Department on its own will not be able to successfully counter or bring down the rate of drug addiction. This involves the Home Police Department, it involves the entire state machinery, and certainly at the local level, we also need the active support of the community. And that support has, as you will recall, we even had exchange programs with faith leaders and various darbars. The only problem we have right now is the dearth of space to set up centers. The sensitization programs are still on, and also I have pointed out to the Home Minister, Deputy CM in charge of Home, that we need to increase our policing at the entry points. 70% of the narcotics that come to Meghalaya come via East Jaintia Hills district. That the policing in that particular district has to be strengthened. But again, that will only happen if the current recruitment to the police, where about 3,000 more personnel will be joining the police force and 500 volunteers of the Home Guards will also be employed. It is only when those things happen that we can actually effectively curtail the efficacy of the drug network. Also, please note in mind that Meghalaya has one of the lowest police to civilian ratio in the entire country. Well, the fact that there has been more detentions, more cases being unearthed, more of the violators being brought to book shows the efficacy of the government and of the various interventions that the government has announced. Earlier on, a lot of things were happening in a manner which was totally hidden. Everything was shoved under the carpet. But what you are seeing now, the intervention by police, for instance, and also the detention that is happening under the PITS NDPS, which cases are now being processed for the final act of forwarding the same to the board, which is sitting as soon as the MCC will be lifted, shows that we are in fact cracking with all our might against these various violators, whether they are people engaged in trafficking or those engaged in indulging in consumption of these narcotics.
Menteri Keterangan Social Welfare ke Jelau ba Poleng Do. Ula pentip bagi Sarkar Jelah keladap ajing menjur ke kerteng mencimti kum ke chairperson bertemai jang ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Bat ke belas ajit ru kelai ke jing menjur ban cimti ke negakam. Ulong baladap ni selok bat menteri rang ba ke Jelah, baladap ru ban saya ke file nrai ke bakanglat ke Sarkar ban pendapat ba ke dai barang terekam ke Model Code of Conduct. Ulang sisian bala pensangi agajing penterekam ya ke Model Code of Conduct on sapan pendapat ba ke kerteng mencimti temai kum ke chairperson jang ke Women's Commission ke Jelah.
No, there is no such thing as a delay. In fact, the name has been cleared. The person concerned has already consented to her appointment. The Chief Minister has been consulted and has also signed the relevant file. The only thing that is preventing us from going public is the operation of the MCC, and once this is done, we will publicly come up with the name of the new chairperson of the State Women's Commission.